Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today we are making a delicious and crispy paneer cutlet loaded with vegetables, potatoes and the goodness of paneer. Perfect for snacks, tea time or kids lunch box. Let's get started. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add 2 cloves of chopped garlic, 1 chopped green chilli. Cutlets were first introduced in British cuisine and adapted uniquely across India. 1/4 cup long beans, 1/4 cup chopped carrot, 1/4 cup capsicum, 3 tablespoon onion. This recipe is a fusion of Indian street food and healthy homemade goodness. 1 teaspoon crushed coriander, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon garam masala. Add 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Saute everything for 2 to 3 minutes. Set aside. Now grate 50 grams paneer into a bowl. Use farm paneer so that cutlet holds shape better. Did you know paneer is one of the oldest cheese in the world, still used in Indian cooking? Add 2 boiled mashed potatoes and the cooked vegetable mixture. You can turn leftover vegetables into creative cutlets like this one. Mix everything well. Mash the potato smoothly to get a clean, even texture. Shape the mixture into cutlets. Chill the mixture for 10 minutes before shaping for best result. For the coating, in a bowl add 1/4 cup flour, half cup water. Mix well to make a smooth slurry. Dip each cutlet in the slurry. Then coat with breadcrumbs. Fry in medium heated oil until golden brown on both sides. Always fry on medium heat to cook evenly and avoid burning the coating. Paneer is rich in protein and calcium, make it great for kids and adults. Adding colorful vegetable boosts the fiber and vitamin content. This snack can be made healthier by air frying or shallow frying, perfect for vegetarian looking for a high protein snack. And your crispy paneer cutlets are ready to serve. Which is your favorite type of cutlet, veggie, chicken or paneer? Have you ever made paneer cutlets at home? Tell us in the comments. Love simple and quick snacks like this? Hit the follow button. Tag someone who would love this easy recipe today. Thanks for spending time with Innovative Foods. We'll see you in the next recipe. Until then, keep cooking with heart.